You fall asleep and suddenly you're the god of your own world. No rules, no limits. This is called lucid dreaming, and some people do it every night. Inside a lucid dream, you can fly, time travel, and even talk to lost loved ones. But scientists are just starting to uncover what really happens in the brain when you control a dream. And what they're finding is both incredible and terrifying. Lucid dreaming happens during REM sleep, the deepest stage of dreaming. In this state, parts of your brain act as if you're awake, but your body is paralyzed. But here's the glitch. If you stay too long, your brain might forget what's real. In a lucid dream, the line between fantasy and memory gets blurry fast. Your brain pulls fragments from your past and remixes them into entire worlds. If you're loving this mental trip, hit subscribe and join the Mindset Fuel community for more mind-bending stories. But not all lucid dreams are fun. Some turn into terrifying loops you can't escape. It's called a dream trap, and it feels like being awake inside a nightmare. In labs, dream hackers are learning how to send messages into dreams from the real world. It's called targeted dream incubation, and it's already being used to shape dreams on purpose. But here's the catch. What happens when someone else starts controlling your dreams? In some lucid dreams, the dream starts pushing back, changing things without your control. Some people get addicted, spending more time dreaming than living. In a study, one subject spent 4 to 6 hours each night in full control, until their waking life started to feel unreal. Then came the worst part. They thought they woke up, but didn't. They woke up 5 more times before realizing they were still dreaming. Lucid dreams activate the same regions used for memory and reality, blurring the line between what happened. Some lucid dreamers have reported forgetting real conversations or confusing dream events with reality. So the question is, if your dream life feels more real than reality, why would you ever want to wake up? Inside a dream, time moves differently. Minutes can feel like hours, hours like days. In one experiment, lucid dreamers were told to count to 10, and it took twice as long as in real life. So, how do you wake yourself up when the dream doesn't want you to leave? Some lucid dreamers say, the deeper you go, the harder it fights to keep you. Others believe there's only one guaranteed way to wake up: die inside the dream. The shock triggers your brain's survival system, snapping you back to reality. But sometimes, you just dream about waking up. So, how can you be sure you're awake right now? Lucid dreams feel real because your brain treats them like reality. Studies show that during lucid dreams, your brain's decision-making, memory, and vision centers are all active. If a dream can mimic reality so perfectly, how do you define what's real? Lucid dreaming isn't just sleep, it's a mirror of your mind, and sometimes it shows you things you're not ready to see. So if you could control your dreams every night, would you ever want to wake up? Reality is overrated. Until you can't find your way back to it. Want more stories that mess with your mind? Tap subscribe. New realities drop every week. Until next time, stay awake.